From remote farms to massive factories, this is how coffee is made.
Only ripe cherries are harvested for quality coffee.
Farmers bring freshly picked cherries to collection centers for weighing and quality checks. Once collected, the cherries are loaded and sent quickly to processing factories. Fresh cherries are rushed to processing facilities.
At the factory, the cherries are unloaded and sent straight into processing.
Machines remove the outer fruit using water and pressure.
Beans ferment to develop complex flavors.
Moisture is carefully reduced to the perfect level.
Protective layers are removed after drying. Defective beans are rejected by advanced scanners. Roasting transforms raw beans into coffee.
Beans are cooled instantly to lock in flavor.
Some coffee is ground to exact sizes.
Coffee is sealed to stay fresh.
Now it's ready for global distribution. All this for one perfect cup.